ever held on to something just in case, only to realize years later you've never used it? We all do it. But let's be real, keeping things just in case doesn't create security. It creates clutter, chaos, and stress. Let's talk about why it's time to rethink that mindset. Clutter overload. Every just-in-case item adds up. Before you know it, you're out of space, literally and mentally. Instead of feeling secure, you feel overwhelmed by piles of stuff you don't even use. Lost in the chaos. You need the one important thing, but it's buried under years of clutter. So you waste time digging, getting frustrated, and maybe even giving up. The just-in-case stash. It's working against you, not for you. Wasted money. How many times have you rebought something, only to find the original tucked away in some forgotten corner? That clutter is costing you more money than it's saving. Emotional weight. A lot of just-in-case clutter isn't about practicality, it's about guilt. What if I need it someday? Or what if I regret letting it go? The truth, letting go of the excess makes room for what truly matters. Real security equals organized storage. Security isn't about hoarding, it's about knowing exactly where your important things are, without the mess. And sometimes, that means keeping them in a secure, organized space outside your home. Don't let the just-in-case excuse take over your life. If you need extra space for the things that actually matter, we've got you covered. Visit Arcos Self-Storage at www.arcosstorage.com for a clean, safe, and secure solution without the stress.